Moving home comes with a long to-do list, and one of the biggest decisions is whether to clean the property yourself or hire professionals. The choice can affect your time, your budget, and even whether you get your full deposit back. Before we continue, like this video and subscribe to FastKlean for more expert cleaning tips. DIY cleaning can feel satisfying if you have the time and energy. It saves money, lets you work at your own pace, and gives you full control over every detail. But it's also exhausting, especially when you're packing, organizing, and managing the move. Cleaning an entire property can take far longer than expected. And without the right tools, it's easy to miss spots that landlords pay close attention to. Professional cleaners, on the other hand, bring experience, equipment, and efficiency. They know exactly what end-of-tenancy standards require and cover areas people often overlook. This frees your time and removes stress during a busy period. The downside is cost and less control over the exact method, plus arranging a time that fits your schedule. When deciding between DIY and professionals, think about how much time you truly have, how clean the property needs to be, and whether specialized tasks like deep carpet cleaning or heavy limescale removal are required. If your deposit depends on a high standard, hiring professionals can often make the difference. If this helped you decide how to handle your move-out clean, like this video, share it. And don't forget to subscribe to FastKlean for more cleaning advice.